So my name is Alena, and I am currently a learning guide at the Eco Hub. I'm the lead of learner support. I've been at the Eco Hub for 5 years now, since the beginning of the Eco Hub, and I'm going to be the lead of the Village Hub. I think I've been in education for almost 25 years. I started off in the US working with immigrants and refugees through a public library. And then I came to Spain and I worked at an academy as an English teacher for many years, and from there I became a teacher trainer and did that for many years. And then I went into design, material design, learning experience design, and became the coordinator of a program, and then decided to change lanes and go into primary. I started with the primary years at the very beginning of the project and was just so excited to be part of a project that was so innovative, where there was so much heart in learning. I remember my first email, even from my welcome email that I got from Learnlife, that said, "Come as you." And I thought, wow, this is amazing. You know, I get to be myself. I'm a mother. I'm all these different things. I think that that's the culture that Learnlife gives to their learning guides, and that's what we are able to transfer to the learners. So with the learners at the Eco Hub, they're very much themselves. They can express themselves in so many different ways. They feel comfortable with themselves, with who they are. They've gone really deep into their learning. The way that we measure and track their learning has never held them back. It just helps them understand who they are as a learner. I'm really excited for next year, and I want to create a space where your learners are equally excited to come every day and to go deeper into their learnings, to stretch out of their comfort zones, to be themselves, to participate in their learning and on their learning journey, to co-create that with us. I think it's going to be really exciting, and I can't wait to see everyone.